dear Dr. Sugandha, who worked very hard to bring me here for a number of months. We worked on finding the suitable date. Dear Ms. Ekta Sharma, who has been so nice with pronouncing my unpronounceable last name, I definitely have to compliment her on that.
Of Lithuania from each and every aspect. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Also we are receiving a scholarship from the government, so the same ways they can also take admission.
And your faculty comes from Meerut?
Meerut, they are from the NCR region also, and apart from all over India, like they are coming. So those who are from out of the city, out of the state, they are mainly residing within the campus. Otherwise, they have taken their accommodation in the nearby localities also.
And faculty? Would you have international faculty also coming to teach?
Not on the regular road, like on the guest lecture basis. We have association with the Malaysia University also. So online mode they are.
My alma mater?
Taught Indian history also.
Yeah, so that's why I've asked Dr. Sugandha to help me to see Meerut and their Mutiny Trail, to see the places, because it's my first visit to Meerut. But I keep on teaching, that name to my students, so now I have the opportunity to actually see the place where the first war of independence started and where.
Yeah, the 1857 war was initiated from Meerut only, and there is a well, now it is turned into a sort of smarak, we should say, sort of thing.
Memorial.
Yeah, memorial it has been converted into, and temple is also there. So from that well it was
The temple, Kalipattan, right?
Kalipultan, yeah, exactly. Paltan.
Paltan, right.
Paltan. Paltan means the troop. So,
No, thank you.
so that time the goddess Kali temple was there. So as it was initiated from there, so it was named as Kali Paltan. Kali is the name of the goddess, and Paltan means the troop of for the freedom. So that is why it is given this. Some churches are also there. Sardhana churches like.
So Sardhana I visited some years ago because I was very interested in Begum Sambhu's story. So I went there, I read a book, and then I went there and I took my friends. So now I want to repeat it and take some of my Indian friends who had never been to tell them and show them, the important places of history.
Lots of people we used to come there on second Saturday of the November month. So that Saturday is supposed to be very auspicious for wishing something. So it is
Second Saturday. It's a pity, but I will be away.
Second Saturday of November month.
I will be away.
A lot of crowd is there.
But why is this of auspiciousness? Where does it come from? It's a religious auspiciousness, or?
Yeah, religious auspiciousness, and I don't know much about it, but it is famous in this region that on second Saturday of the November month, like if you want to ask some wish, so you can go on that particular day.